What is getting things done?
Getting things done, or GTD, is a popular productivity method developed by David Allen. Its goal is to help you organize tasks, reduce mental clutter, and make life less overwhelming. GTD provides a step-by-step workflow that lets you capture, process, and manage everything you need to remember, so you can focus on the right things at the right time.
Step 1. Capture everything.
The first step in GTD is to capture every task, idea, or responsibility as soon as it pops into your mind. Don't rely on memory. Instead, gather everything into a trusted system, like a notebook or app. This clears your mind and ensures nothing slips through the cracks, setting a strong foundation for the workflow.
Step 2. Clarify and process.
Next, clarify each item you captured. Ask yourself, what is this? And is any action needed? If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. Otherwise, decide if it should be delegated, scheduled for later, or simply noted as reference. This step turns ideas into clear action steps.
Step 3. Organize your actions.
Now it's time to organize. Place action items into appropriate lists, such as next actions, projects, or waiting for. Use calendars and reminders for time-sensitive tasks. By sorting everything, you know exactly what you need to do and when, making it easier to prioritize and stay on track.
Step 4. Review regularly.
A crucial part of GTD is the weekly review. Set aside time to check your lists, update tasks, and clear out anything that's outdated. This keeps your system reliable and helps you calmly stay on top of your commitments. A regular review ensures nothing falls through the cracks.
Step 5. Take effective action.
With everything clarified, organized, and reviewed, you're ready to take action. Trust your system and focus on the task that makes the most sense in the moment, considering your time, energy, and priorities. This is where GTD helps you get things done with confidence and less stress.
Why GTD reduces overwhelm?
GTD works because it clears your mind of constant reminders and worry. Instead of juggling tasks in your head, you use a streamlined system to manage everything. This lowers stress, boosts productivity, and lets you focus on meaningful work, one task at a time.